During a divorce, every action you take can have a huge impact on your child custody battle. Understanding what can be used against you in a custody battle and avoiding these issues from the start can save you heartache, time, and money. Keep watching. Verbal and physical altercations. If you instigate a shouting match, especially in the presence of your children, the judge won't look favorably on this behavior. Needless to say, the same is doubly true in cases which involve physical altercations. The solution is as simple as taking control of an argument by dousing the fiery tempers with water. State that you're done with the conversation and you won't be adding more trauma and turmoil in front of your children. As it stands, there is a high possibility your children will be interviewed if you and your spouse can't resolve child custody issues. What your children say about you and your spouse could heavily influence the judge's decision. New partners. Timing matters. It's understandable that when a divorce has been filed, it can be quite tempting to meet new people and start dating. Moreover, the foundational cause of your divorce might actually be due to a romantic or sexual involvement with someone else, either on your side, your spouse's, or both. Yet, as long as your child custody arrangement has not been finalized, even if it's an ample period after your divorce has been finalized, make sure you keep your children away from anyone you might be seeing. There are multiple consequences to this mistake. One is, this is a cause of confusion for your children, the creation of unnecessary drama and tension with your ex-spouse, leading to potential complications on the legal side of things. In short, make sure to keep things low-key during and after your divorce to save yourself potential minefields in your child custody battle. Criticizing. It's a big mistake to criticize the other parent to outside parties like family and friends. The bitter truth is, anything you say to almost anyone can make its way back to the court and shed a negative light on you. Furthermore, the person you have confided in might not even intentionally mean to repeat what you said. Yet there is still the probability they may be called upon to give a deposition or testify. Considering both procedures are conducted under oath and that person will be sworn to tell the truth, it might not even be in their control or power to keep your confidence. Therefore, it's much easier to prevent that from happening in the first place. Simply assume that anything you say out loud or post on social media can be considered public knowledge and used against you. Neglecting child support. Whether it's court-ordered or not, make sure you're fully meeting any agreed-upon child or spousal support payments while your divorce or child custody proceedings are ongoing. Also, if these payments are actually court-ordered, then there's no room for negotiation. You'll have to make these payments because you could be seen as showing contempt for the court's temporary judgment, and you might have to deal with a host of other legal consequences. In addition, it paints you as an uncaring parent who doesn't have the children's best interest at heart. The same rule applies to non-monetary duties, like picking up your children from visitations, as well as dropping them off at the agreed-upon locations and times. Get the help you need by contacting us online or calling 303-695-0200. The Shapiro Family Law Team can set you up with a child custody lawyer who can render all the aid your case requires. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.